Bud. How are you? Wow, yeah. Here's, how you doing? She's here, yeah. I'm just gonna get a drink. Benji. There, George Clair. What the hell brings you to New Canaan?
It's funniest thing. I've been talking to some investors. A little outside venture never stand between you and me. About a scheme to manufacture and use styrofoam packaging. These little peanut-like pieces, really keep an item free from trauma during shipping. It's miraculous. Anyway, turns out that the genius behind the whole project is your neighbor, Jim Carver. How about that?
Well, isn't that a 1 in a million coincidence? Real dreamer, our Jim Carver, eh?
All right. Listen, I'm going to make a break for the hors d'oeuvres guy.
Right, see you bright and early Monday, a.m. Say, where's the wife?
In Rhode Island with the folks. I'm a free agent today.